It's been a hot second since I last posted a video, but I'm excited about this new project that we're working on. It's called the Rona Playground Project. As you guys know, it's a bunch of fear going around and people are scared, people are worried. But for me, this is perfect timing because I finally get to do everything that I wanted to do while I was in school and while track and classes were in session. So I'm fully taking advantage of this time, and I want other people to do the same. But I also want you guys to really focus on yourself and really like growing and taking care of yourself, not just washing your hands, but just mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, everything. I did my hair myself, yes, period, boo. See you guys later. Anaia! I wish I would have got her coming out of the house, but she brought her dog. They're so cute.
Yeah, I know. I just finished walking and we pooped like 3 times.
I'm dead.
Do you know everything you have to get, by the way?
Huh?
Do you know everything you have to get?
No.
What you do? Bell peppers, onions, and chopped mushrooms. How do you pick out a good onion? Because all of these look nasty. How much is that? Like $2? Yeah.
Do you have a knife?
Huh?
Do you have a knife?
No. Sounds good to me. And then let's go black beans. Okay, coconut milk. I don't know if that's in the yeah. Wait, where's the pasta at? This is where the pasta's supposed to be.
In Cajun seasoning. We decided that we were going to add in a smoothie in here. We were going to just do the pasta, but we're going to add a smoothie as well. It's something you can eat at breakfast, you can eat at lunch, you can have it at dinner. It's going to be packed with different nutrients, so very special ingredients. Naia's going to start by making her smoothie.
First, I added the banana, chia seeds.
Yeah, those ones will be like a lot.
Yeah, they usually puff up when you put them in. That looks good.
Before you open it,
Fun fact.
yeah. So let's just explain what sea moss is. A plant that's that's in the ocean. Peel it out. It's like regular like moss outside. That's usually green, but it's usually yellow in the sea. Dry it out, and then you blend it with some other ingredients, and then it comes out in a gel form. According to good housekeeping, is good for your digestive system, good for thyroid function, improving your energy levels, boosting your immunity, and nourishing your skin. It can have a really oceany smell and taste. I had a smoothie here.
Okay, it don't smell that bad.
My mom had got me this during our spring break, and she was like, use it every day.
That's like, that's not good. Yeah, it's got a little lingering texture to it. And a taste.
In a cup, it's kind of gross. Now I'm about to make my smoothie. Blackberries are supposed to be good for your heart, so this is good. I'm gonna add some lemon juice in there. My mom has been tripping about lemon juice too, because you know she's like, oh, get some lemon water, put it in your refrigerator, and then drink some hot lemon water before you go to sleep. According to Healthline Food Nutrition, they said that lemon juice and lemon water helps provide hydration, good source of vitamin C, supports weight loss, it improves your skin quality, aids in digestion, and benefits your breath. I mean, I like it.
Did you see how I poured it in there and then how she about to put it in here? Yeah, that's
so long.
Mine tastes like it's supposed to be healthy.
Yeah, would it taste like seaweed or?
Not really. Later on tonight, we will be making vegan pasta. Yes. So today we about to do this vegan Cajun pasta. We had to come up with like 2 substitutes because we were supposed to originally have some diced tomatoes, but instead we're going to go ahead and use tomato sauce. And we have black beans, Cajun seasoning. Hold on, you can see that correctly. paprika, salt, and where's our pepper at? We got pepper too. As y'all see, we also cut up everything. Thai, minced and chopped mushrooms, garlic, bao. And we have, what is this called? This is penne rigati.
We've got this recipe off of Pinterest. It's just the Cajun pasta recipe. And they say 1/2 cup of bell peppers, boom, a cup of black beans, and 5 cloves, 1 cup of mushrooms, which we cut into chunks. It's also used as like a meat replacement. 3/4 cups of onions, 1/2 cup of coconut milk. When we poured this out, it was kind of chunky, so make sure when you use it, you shake the can. We put about 5 cups of water in here, and that's enough to boil both of these boxes.
Okay, so for your beans, you're gonna wanna put your heat on medium. Usually I wait till the oven get hot. It's already hot, but I wait till the oven get hot, then I set the pan on there. Now I go ahead and pour these beans in there. Would you like to pour the beans? Sure. Okay. Oh my God! You just pour it in there.
According to the website, we are supposed to be boiling the noodles and cooking the beans, while also preparing the vegetables and like a little saucepan, little frying pan situation. And then we're gonna cook all 3 of the vegetables together and get those nice and, warm. And then we're not gonna cook it too hard because we want them to still have a crunch. Tomato sauce in with it after we cook the vegetables. One of those things. This pan isn't really hot, so we'll just wait for this to get warm. Have everything sizzling. We're gonna add the mushrooms. This is our meat replacement for our vegan recipe.
You might want to turn that fire on.
It look like chicken, don't it? Yum. He's shaking his head at me. Now she's adding the tomato alternative. While she does that, I'm gonna just start to put these noodles in there because this is boiling. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to the water so that these noodles don't stick together.
I'm sorry, Marcus.
Want me to open?
Yeah.
Pepper.
It's not coming out. Okay. There you go. That's good. Is it? No.
That's good, yeah. It was coming out very well at all.
I know this is gonna come out well. Put a little bit of that in there for right now because I know we're gonna need to add the coconut milk. Are we ready for the coconut milk, Ty?
Yeah.
All right. Where's that at?
Ooh, this looks saucy. Okay, so we're gonna put this over here, bring this down to a simmer. We're gonna deal with these noodles next. They was over here making noise. Wanted some attention. You gotta talk to your food, y'all. Still kind of crunchy.
Marcus, you tried to get this done. I think it's done.
Now we got the pasta is finally finished. We got the sauce, and then we got our beans. Next thing we're gonna do is just add the sauce to the pasta and just start stirring. We'll add the beans. Real black beans. We're having a lot of Mexican stuff today. thank you guys for watching our first episode of the Corona Playground Project. This was awesome. We came up with a really good recipe. Anything you guys can add chicken to it if y'all want to, but big takeaway from this episode: eat healthy, treat your body right. You know, a healthy body is a happy body. So if you really want to be the happiest person ever, just be healthy. Bye.